Hello, fellow space enthusiasts. Have you ever gazed up at the night sky, at the infinite tapestry of stars, and dreamt of traveling among them? For centuries, space travel has been the realm of science fiction, a fantastical escape from the mundane. But now the impossible is becoming increasingly possible. We're on the cusp of a new era, the era of space tourism. And today we're going to explore this incredible frontier, asking, is space tourism truly the future of travel? The idea of taking a holiday beyond Earth might seem like something out of a futuristic movie, but the reality is far closer than you might think. Companies like Virgin Galactic, Blue Origin, and SpaceX are already offering suborbital flights, giving paying customers the thrilling experience of experiencing weightlessness and witnessing the breathtaking curvature of our planet from above. These pioneering flights are just the beginning, the first tentative steps on a journey that promises to revolutionize how we explore and appreciate our universe. But what challenges lie ahead? The cost, of course, is a significant hurdle. Currently, a suborbital spaceflight can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, placing it firmly within the reach of only the ultra-wealthy. But as the technology matures and competition increases, we can anticipate a significant drop in prices. Think about the early days of air travel, a luxury enjoyed by a select few, which eventually became accessible to the masses. Could a similar democratization occur in space tourism? It's a possibility that excites and intrigues many. Beyond the financial barriers, there are also significant technological and logistical challenges to overcome. Building and maintaining spacecraft is an incredibly complex and expensive undertaking. Ensuring the safety of passengers is paramount, requiring rigorous testing and meticulous attention to detail. The development of reusable spacecraft, like SpaceX's Starship, is a crucial step in making space travel more sustainable and affordable. But even with these advancements, the journey to space still presents unique risks and requires significant preparation. Can you imagine the rigorous training astronauts undergo? Will this level of training be necessary for every space tourist? These are questions that require careful consideration. But let's move beyond the immediate challenges. What does the future of space tourism really hold? The possibilities are truly mind-boggling. Imagine luxurious orbital hotels offering breathtaking views of Earth and the cosmos. Picture yourself sipping champagne while gazing at the Milky Way, a truly unforgettable experience. Or perhaps you'd prefer a lunar excursion, walking on the surface of the moon, collecting souvenirs from a celestial landscape untouched by human hands. And what about further afield? Could we one day take cruises to Mars, exploring the red planet's canyons and craters? The sheer scale of potential destinations is simply staggering. However, this expansion into deeper space raises crucial ethical and environmental questions. The potential for space debris, the impact on the lunar and Martian environments, and the equitable distribution of access to space are all vital considerations. We must ensure that the pursuit of space tourism doesn't come at the expense of the very environments we're so eager to explore. The responsible development of space tourism is not just a technological challenge. It's also a moral imperative. It's a delicate balancing act between progress and preservation. But what about the everyday traveler? Will space tourism ever be within reach for the average person? The answer is likely yes, but it will take time. The key lies in innovation, technological advancements, and a commitment to making space travel more accessible and affordable. The development of reusable rockets, efficient propulsion systems, and advanced life support technologies will all play a crucial role in bringing down the cost of space travel. Furthermore, the expansion of space tourism could stimulate economic growth, creating new jobs and industries. Imagine the ripple effect. From engineers and technicians to chefs and hospitality workers, space tourism could create a diverse and thriving sector. But the development of space tourism isn't just about the economic benefits. It's about expanding human horizons, fostering scientific discovery, and inspiring future generations. The awe-inspiring beauty of space, the sheer vastness of the cosmos, has the power to ignite our imaginations and broaden our understanding of our place in the universe. It's a chance to see our planet with a fresh perspective, a chance to appreciate its fragility and the importance of its preservation. It's a chance to inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. Consider the impact on scientific research. Space tourism could lead to new discoveries and insights into the universe. For example, the development of new materials and technologies for space travel could have applications in other fields, such as medicine and energy. The expansion of human presence in space could also lead to the discovery of new resources and the development of new industries, such as space mining. The possibilities are endless, and the potential benefits are immense. But what if these benefits only accrue to a select few? How can we ensure that the benefits of space tourism are shared equitably, not just among nations, but also among individuals? Think of the educational opportunities. Space tourism could inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. By making space more accessible, we can encourage young people to pursue careers in STEM fields, fostering innovation and technological advancements. Imagine the educational programs that could be developed, offering students the opportunity to participate in space-related research or even experience suborbital flight. This could transform the way we approach science education, making it more engaging and relevant to students' lives. Can you imagine the impact on a child's life, having witnessed the curvature of the Earth from space? However, we must also acknowledge the potential downsides. The environmental impact of space tourism is a serious concern. The launch of rockets releases pollutants into the atmosphere, and space debris poses a threat to satellites and spacecraft. We need to develop sustainable and environmentally friendly technologies to mitigate these risks. Moreover, the commercialization of space could lead to the exploitation of celestial resources, raising ethical and legal questions. We must develop international regulations and guidelines to ensure the responsible use of space. The future of space travel must not be at the expense of the very environment we seek to explore. The future of space tourism is not simply a question of technological feasibility. It is a question of ethical responsibility, economic sustainability, and societal impact. It is a journey that requires careful planning, international cooperation, and a commitment to ensuring that the benefits of space exploration are shared by all. It is a journey that demands we address the challenges, navigate the complexities, and ensure that this incredible frontier remains a source of wonder, inspiration, and progress for all humanity. It's a journey that requires us to ask, how can we make this dream a reality for everyone, not just a privileged few? How can we ensure that space remains a place of wonder and discovery, not exploitation and conflict? The answers to these questions will determine the true future of space tourism. But one thing is certain, the journey has begun and the possibilities are truly limitless.